Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a luxurious lobster butter sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of cooked lobster meat, 2 sticks of high-quality unsalted butter, and 1 fresh lemon. Having everything at room temperature is key for a smooth emulsion. Also, have a small saucepan, a fine mesh sieve, and a whisk ready to go. This preparation ensures a seamless cooking process for our delicious sauce. Now, let's clarify our butter. Place 2 sticks of unsalted butter in a small saucepan over very low heat. Allow it to melt slowly without browning. As it melts, white milk solids will rise to the top. Carefully skim these off. What remains is pure, golden clarified butter, which is essential for our sauce. Meanwhile, ensure your cooked lobster meat is finely chopped and ready. This is where the magic happens: emulsification. In a clean bowl, combine about 1 tablespoon of any reserved lobster tomally with 2 tablespoons of your warm clarified butter. Gradually, and I mean drop by drop, whisk in the remaining clarified butter. This slow addition creates a stable, creamy emulsion. Finish by whisking in 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice to add a delightful tang and balance the richness. To complete our exquisite lobster butter sauce, season it carefully with a small pinch of sea salt and a dash of white pepper to taste. Remember, the lobster itself is already flavorful. Serve this warm, velvety sauce immediately over your perfectly cooked lobster meat, or perhaps with seared scallops or grilled fish. A sprinkle of finely chopped fresh chives adds a beautiful color and a subtle oniony note. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.